Hello, I'm John Klesnick, founder of Bonnet Pro, and I want to do, before we get into the main product video, I want to just share a little bit of who I am, because it's important whom you purchase from, because the integrity of the company, their education, their background, their willingness to help and serve is important. I've been a professional cleaner since 1985. We're a Christian-owned business. I've formed other companies such as Key Floor Care and Restoration, and soon to be Minimax Carpet Machines LLC, ChristianStreetMissions.org. So serving is a very important factor of running a business, in my opinion. It's not just about making money, it's about blessing and benefiting those who come to you for help. So with my multiple years of experience, I want you to be assured that when you come to Bonnet Pro, you're going to get an honest answer to your question. Back in the 90s, I became a master IICRC cleaner. Prior to that, you had to be a journeyman, and prior to that, you had to pass other tests. So I've gotten education through the IRC and through the life of hard knocks, if you will, and learning as you go and learning from other people. I've also, on this is my second batch of invoices. I had prior forms before this. We're at almost 10,000 here, and there's multiple times where a job had multiple jobs on each invoice. So I've done well over 10,000 jobs, and that gives you experience, both I did in crime scene, water damage, large area carpet maintenance, residential carpet maintenance, upholstery cleaning, so a variety of things in our industry. So I just wanted to give you a little history and background quickly, that before we get into the product video, that you know when you call Bonnet Pro, you're going to get someone who cares about their customer, who wants to help you grow, and it's just not about the ticket. There's a lot of startup companies, there's a lot of newbies, and even some of the people that have been around a while give misinformation. And the truth has but one answer, and when you call Bonnet Pro, I'm going to give you that answer, and if I don't know, I'll even tell you that too. So we look forward to serving you in the future and sharing our products and expertise with you. Thank you. Once in a while, there's an industry-changing product, and Bonnet Pro has that product. It's called ReviveiT Rocket. ReviveiT Rocket is a detergent that can be used for any cleaning method on a variety of surfaces. It has a neutral pH. It has oxy in it, and what the oxy does is it makes you look like a hero, because it can remove, with the color-safe bleach, which is peroxide, organic stains that regular detergents just can't get out. I've had some competitors give up on trying to do this in a one-part formula. They've went to a two-part formula. Bonnet Pro has always stayed a one-part formula. And ReviveiT Rocket will be a great choice for your everyday cleaning, for residential, commercial, aviation, marine, a variety of different applications. So anywhere you're running into challenges with organic discolorations, where you need brightening or you need just excellent cleaning power, ReviveiT Rocket's a great choice. Now, I've made Rocket for years. I have it in quarts in the original formula. I have it in gallons and the 5-gallon bag-in-a-box with a higher solvent formula. And the bag-in-a-box is neat because it's your best value. You get more product. You get it in a pour spout, so it makes it very easy to measure it and distribute it throughout your organization. And if you prefer, we still have it in the regular gallons and even the quarts. And what's neat about the quarts is if you have a smaller job and you want to just carry some in with you, if you're going to need extra, that's in that convenient package. And if you want to put a spray bottle on it, a trigger sprayer, now you have a super spotter that's more concentrated, that has more oxy in it, and you can get even more stain fighting ability in that package. So Rocket's available only at bonnetpro.com, and it has our exclusive AFT active film technology, which Elijah's going to speak about in a minute, and let you know the benefits and why that's a must-have for your products. And we'll go into that in just a second. So now I want to introduce our junior expert on AFT, my son Elijah, who's the future face of Bonnet Pro. He's 12 years old now, but he'll be running the company someday. So I'm going to bring him on, and he's going to tell you about some of the great benefits that AFT offers you, the professional cleaner.
Hello, I'm Elijah Unitas Klesnick, and I would like to talk to you about AFT. Have you ever seen dirty flour? Neither have we. Some plants use what is called a loess effect, which cleans the flour each and every time it rains. Although it cannot rain inside your house to clean your carpets, we have the next best thing. AFT uses a positive film that coats the surface fiber with an invisible, durable layer that's only a few microns thick. This is to help prevent the negative oil film, also called an oily binder, that causes rapid resoiling. AFT uses a hydrophilic barrier that causes the soils to float on the top of your carpets, making it easier for you to clean. AFT also helps prevent soils from attaching to the underlying part of your carpet. Encaps dry down and leave a polymer coating that suspends small particles of soil. Semi-fluorinated chemicals can also coat the fiber and reduce surface tension, but can be expensive and will increase drying times. Although carpet protectors can still be used with AFT, AFT is much cheaper, does not require any extra application time, has no odor, and is reapplied every time you clean at no extra cost to the company. It is built into many Bonnet Pro's encapsulation products, starting with Omega Citrus.
That's very good. Now, did you also know that AFT helps prevent biofilms from forming on the carpet? So when the biofilms don't form, the face fiber of the carpet is just that much cleaner. So AFT is actually not a synthetic chemical, it's a functional protein. So it's more of an organic polymer than it is a synthetic man-made substance. So this gives us a greener option to help protect carpets, and as you clean on regular commercial accounts month after month, you'll notice a little bit of a buildup of AFT, which is a good thing, because you'll notice that your cleanings get faster and easier and take less effort. So you can reduce your chemical, so it can actually save you money as well as saving you time in the future. So do you remember what Ken Ham taught us down in Kentucky?
Yes.
Let's see what you got.
It's designed to do what it does do. What it does do, it does do well. Doesn't? Yes, it does. I think it does. Do you? I do. I hope you do too, do you?
Well, I think I can do it faster. AFT is designed to do what it does do well. Yes, it does. I think it does. Do you? I do. I hope you do too. Do you? So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. So let's go over some of the groundbreaking features, the industry game-changing features of Rocket that are exclusive only to this Bonnet Pro product. We use a dustless T3H polymer, and what that will do for you is that will leave the customer's carpet dust-free. I have a video on that under our CT6 education section at bonnetpro.com. So when the carpet is rubbed, dust isn't going to come out and be inhaled by pets or babies or people. So it also doesn't change the hand or texture of the fiber, so it's a superior encapsulation method, and we use this with our Oxy product. So it dries clear and bright. It's a little different than the T2H polymers in the Surround line because it's compatible with peroxide. Now our product, Rocket, is a detergent that contains Oxy, Citrus, Encap, AFT, a variety of solvents and emulsifiers and different detergents to help you get the job done. So it's going to give you excellent cleaning power, and you're going to use this typically between 4 and 8 ounces per gallon. You can boost with oxyol, stabilized peroxide if needed for extremely challenging situations, or Nanomax, but typically by itself it has excellent cleaning power. This will be your best choice for an everyday product. I get a lot of calls from people that want just a very simplified menu on their truck. They don't want to complicate things. So this one product will provide a variety of services and complete a variety of tasks, because it not only cleans, but it also goes after organic stains and it brightens. So you get a lot of benefits from a single bottle. As far as organic stains, we're talking about urine or coffee or wine or pomegranate juice, those types of natural colorings. If you have synthetic dye from like cough syrup, peroxide won't remove that, but the organic discolorations or stains, a stain is an addition of color or a subtraction of color. So in this case, it's an addition. The color safe bleach, which is peroxide, will remove these organic stains. Now, we heard Elijah go over the benefits of active film technology. This functional protein is an excellent benefit to have that no one else has. It's exclusive only to Bonnet Pro. So you can use Rocket. It's very effective at lower cleaning temperatures. You don't have to have super hot water for it to be effective. And even, I think with solvents, the hotter you get, the quicker it flashes off the solvent. So I think it's wise to use some products at lower temperatures, and this is one of those products. So it makes it easier. So if you're going into a building that may not have hot water, it's not a big concern. You can use this with warm tap water or even cold water. You're going to use Rocket in homes, greasy restaurants, hotels, any type of area where you have synthetic carpet. It's not my first choice on natural fibers. You can use it on wool if you dilute it further, but typically it's not a product you would use on a natural fiber like a wool or a silk. You would use it on synthetic products. Again, it gives you excellent cleaning power with all the premium ingredients that we put into it and the extra solvents and the higher amount of peroxide typically than what our competitors have. You'll find it gives you extra cleaning punch that you just don't get from a competitor's product. We're at a pH of 6 to 7, so it's neutral, which is also a good feature. It helps stabilize the peroxide, but it also means that you're not going to get browning and have issues with most fibers out there that you're going to clean. Rocket comes with our special shipping incentives. You can get it in a variety of packagings with the quarts, the gallons, or the 5-gallon bag in the box, which is the most economical. And this gives you a great fit for whatever your needs are as far as size and budget goes. Again, you can use it with all methods, whether it's pre-treat for hot water extraction. You can use it with bonnet cleaning, CRB. There's great pictures of a school being cleaned, classroom being cleaned with this on the product page at bonnetpro.com, and the before and after pictures are just amazing. And that was done with a CRB. Like I said, bonnet cleaning, pretty much any method that's out there, this is a great fit for that methodology. There's no other product on the market like it. One, we put the oxy and the citrus in a single package, and then we include the AFT on top of that. So you get the benefits of easier re-cleaning on future cleans for companies that are doing restaurants or apartment hallways and different types of jobs that they're going to be at every month or every few months. The AFT is really going to start to shine and help you have easier cleanings. So this is your best choice. Rocket's your best choice for your truck, for your techs. When you go out to earn a good name, this will make you look like a hero. If you want to learn more, come to bonnetpro.com and check out the product page. You're welcome to join us at Encapsulation Cleaners World on Facebook. If you have any questions, you can email me directly at info@bonnetpro.com or call us at 877-477-1615. Thank you for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.